Are you needing to get a corporation or an LLC set up for your new business or your side hustle and you have no idea where to start? Well, look no further. We can help. We have set up thousands of businesses all over the country for aspiring business owners just like you. And we've developed a process to make sure that businesses are set up the right way and the correct way every single time. And today we're going to show you exactly how we do it. We're going to show you how to choose the right business structure. We're going to show you how to file the appropriate documents with the state that you're going to be forming your business in. We're going to show you how to get an employer identification number from the IRS, and also show you all the documents that you're going to need to set up a business bank account so you can get your business off on the right foot. We're also going to show you and teach you all of the ongoing compliance needs that you're going to need to be aware of to make sure that your business maintains the lowest level of risk possible. And here's the best part. If you get into this and you're confused, or you just decide that you don't want to do this anymore, no problem. You can just take the fee that you paid to us and apply it to any of our business formation packages, and we'll just take care of it for you so you can continue to focus on growing your business. So act today, click on the button below and get started.